Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to thread your Brother SE1900. You will need a lot of practice with this. This is just something that I just couldn't grasp at first when I first got my machine, and I was like, what's going on? But don't worry about it, guys. Just practice and then you'll have it down pat. You'll be threading your machine in no time. Of course, you need your thread, your spool cap, and then the scissors that came with your machine. The solid numbers on the machine is what you'll be following when you're threading the machine, and the circle numbers right here on the machine are what you'll follow when you're winding your bobbin. But we're not worried about that today. And guys, when I'm using my machine, I like to use a spool holder. This just helps with a lot of tension issues that I had in the past. It seemed like as soon as I started to use this, the tension problems just went away. So if you're having a lot of tension problems with your machine, you might be interested in getting a thread holder. I'm going to put the link below. It was only about I want to say $12 on Amazon, but today for the purpose of the video I'm not going to use it. Something that's really important to do before you start to thread your machine is to pull the lever in the back of your machine up. So it's the lever behind the needle. So it's this gray lever right here. Right now mine was down, but I just pulled it up. So I'm going to show you guys a couple more times. You'll hear it slam down, but it's down now, and I'm going to pull it up. This right here will relieve a lot of tension for when you get the number 4 when you're threading your machine. So I'll just do that again. It's pulled up right now, but I'm going to pull it down and then just pull it up. The first thing that we need to do after we pull that up, put our thread onto the spool, and then we can place our cap on top as well. And then we'll start at 1 right here, and then at 1 we'll come down and around. We'll go over to 2, so our left hand side, and then down, and then up for 3. I like to just hold on to the thread right here because it'll just feel really loose, and sometimes you just need like that comfort. So go right here for 4, and you'll feel the hook. You'll feel your thread grab onto that hook, and then down for 5. So right here at 6, it can be really tricky because you need your thread to grab onto this hook. So like I said before, I like to hold on to this thread just so it can be a little bit more tighter. And so right there, you'll just put your thread right across, and they'll just lock in right here. So I'm going to show you guys again how I did that. So right here at 6, I'll just pull this down, and I like to hold this, like I said, at the top, so it'll be just a little bit tighter. And you might even hear it when it goes across. So I'll do it again just to show you guys. At 6. Make sure you pull it all the way across, and then boom. Then we'll go up for 7 right here, and across for 7. And then I'm going to just show you guys the left hand side of the machine is 8 and 9. So 8 is a razor. So you'll just slip your thread over top and just cut it. And then remember I told you guys about the lever in the back of the machine. So in order for the thread to catch on to the needle, the lever has to be down. So we'll pull our lever down, the one that we pulled up in the beginning, we'll pull it down, and then we'll go back over to 9 and pull that lever down as well. But I want you guys to pay attention to what happens right here when we pull down on 9. So when we pull down on 9, look at this. Our machine is threaded.